So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Osingo, and today I'm back with a new video that will help those who are building websites using React or Vue, or building any site that uses Vite for the build process. So if you are using Vite for the build process or as your build engine, then there's a way in which you can expose your build version to any personal network. So this is possible using a command that should be added on the package.json file. So what this command does is that it exposes your local URL to a personal network, which means that if your computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your mobile device, then you can use that address to access the version of the app you are building on your mobile device or a tablet or even an iPad. So the essence of this is that it helps you confirm as you build whether your app will be responsive on small screens like the smartphones, Android phones, iPhones, iPads, or even tablets. So to do this, you actually need a Vite builder or bundler. So, and then you need to open your package.json file and add a script command where we have the object's name as a host, and then the object value should be host space hyphen hyphen then preview. So once you are done, you should stop your app running and then start your server again. When you start server again, you will be served with the two addresses, one for the local host, your machine, and another one for your network device. So once you have been given the address for the network device, simply pick up your mobile device on the network, connect it to the same Wi-Fi, open your browser, and type in the address. Once you type in and it loads, you have it there. You can actually see the same version of the app you're having on your machine and on your mobile phone.
Let's get to the task. So I will open an existing Vue project that I've already installed, that is the expose URL. So right click, then I'll just leave it open with the code. So let's see how it goes. Okay, fine. So normally for me to run this project and have a local preview, I will run npm run dev. Oh sorry, I need to be in the folder itself. So cd into the folder, expose URL, correct. Then now run the script npm run dev. So it gives us a URL that will expose our build to the local machine. So you can see right now we have, check from our terminal, we have one URL. So when we control click on this URL, we have the preview of what we are building on our machine. Now, what if I want to actually preview what I'm having here on my mobile phone? So what we will do, like I mentioned earlier, let me first stop this running server, then we'll tamper with the package.json file and add a script. So just come to the end of this one, add a comma, then the script name should be host or the command name, then it should have the Vite space -- host, and that is it. So instead of running npm run dev, you should now run npm run host. So the difference is that this one will greet you with 3 URLs, one for your local machine and other 2 for a network device. So let me do that. So let me try running that script, npm run host. Let's see what happens. So you can see there's a difference. We now have 3 URLs, but previously we had 1. So if you come back here, you can see this one is the same as the previous one, which allows us to preview what we are building on our machine or laptop. Then we have the other 2, the networked URL. These ones will allow you to access the preview of what you're building on a device on the same network as your machine that you're using to build. Get the point. You have to connect that device to the same network that your PC or laptop is connected to. So I'll try that with my phone because they are actually on the same network. So let me screen record that so that we can actually preview that. So I will come to my phone and start the screen recording. So let me do a voice screen recording. Start. Yeah, so you can see we have the URL. So let me just type the URL there. It's http 192.168.101.5173, and let's visit that. Very nice. So you can see that what we're having here is exactly as what I'm having on my phone. I hope you can see that. So basically that's how you can actually use your mobile phone or a tablet or a smartwatch or an iPad to preview a web app that you're building on your machine, but you must use Vite or Vite as your build tool, because Vite will give you that option of exposing your URL to a network, their device on the same network. So that's it. So this is Vue project, but you can actually do this with React project too, as long as you are scaffolding your project using Vite build tool. So that's it guys for today. See you in the next video. If you like this video, subscribe, like and share. Thank you.